Alright, today we're tuning this 2012 Chevy Avalanche. So this is a 2012 Avalanche. It's got a Flowmaster cold air, which I actually haven't seen before. It looks pretty decent. See how it performs, but this truck has a BTR Stage 2 camshaft in it. It's still stock exhaust manifold deal, but it does have a dual exhaust of some sort on it. Sorry I'm so close to it. I don't have a lot of room in here to get away from the thing, but yeah, these are good looking trucks. You remember the first generations, man, and I was never a big fan of it, but these later ones are alright looking. You know, this has got your, like I said, it's got a BTR Stage 2 truck cam in it. If you're feeling familiar with Brian Tooley Racing, their stuff always sounds good and performs fairly well as well, so should be a good runner. Nothing too crazy though. We'll see what it makes. I'm gonna get this thing strapped down and some heat into it and just start rolling through the tune-up process and see how she goes. So check it out. Up with this Avalanche, made a pretty good number. Well, this thing says 319.9 repeating, right? But made yeah, 320 to the tire horsepower and 320 foot-pounds of torque. Look at how flat and good that curve is, man. It just looks good. This was to 5,900. I ran it to 62 to see if it would continue to climb, and it didn't. It stayed right around there. This pull was the best number of the lot there. I think we ended up making 5 or 6 hits with it, but yeah, not a bad runner at all. Excited to see these guys' reaction. I mean, it is still a 5,600 pound truck or something, so it's definitely not going to be the fastest thing in the world, but it'll be a good daily for sure. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more of these dyno videos, some of our tech videos and engine assembly stuff. And we'll keep these videos coming. Thanks.